Do you have a story to tell? Or you have a lesson to deliver electronically with your TM1 laptop as a teacher? PowerPoint can help. Add your style and choose from thousands of online and default templates and themes. Designing a presentation for classroom instruction is in 2 easy steps. Just add an image and pick your favorite design. PowerPoint helps you tell your story visually or deliver a digital learning instruction. Lesson plans and contents with pictures, charts, animations, and videos. Do you need to collaborate with other teachers? Save your presentation to OneDrive and share so you can work on it together and see changes as they happen. And when you're out of school, you can keep going with the PowerPoint mobile app. When you're ready to deliver, present with confidence with your student as a great teacher and communicator. Presenter View shows your current slide, speaker notes, and your next slide so you can stay focused and connect with your students. Bring your story to life with PowerPoint. Now let's get started. Creating a PowerPoint. Creating a presentation for your classroom digital contents from scratch or from a theme is super easy. All themes have a palette of colors and fonts designed to work together. To create a blank presentation, first open PowerPoint from the Start menu. Select one of the blank presentation and start typing. Please note that Microsoft 365 subscribers will find design ideas based on the words you type. You can browse and select a new look. In the alternative, PowerPoint 2016 and 2019 versions provide design ideas for users. The only requirement for this is your TM1 to have internet connection. To create a presentation from the existing themes, select File and click New. Double-click the preferred or chosen theme in the gallery to create a presentation in that theme, or search for more templates. One important note: make sure you have a rough sketch of your work before bringing creativity into limelight. Adding and formatting text in PowerPoint. When planning your digital content on PowerPoint for your classroom as a teacher, you need to understand how to add and format text either in your side or the whole presentation to make it look exactly how you want. Here are the steps to follow. First, select a text box or placeholder for the slide and the theme. Type your text. Text can be in the form of statements, highlights, and quotes. Now select the text or box to format it. You might want to consider what formatting of text means. This includes the font size, font color, bold, italics, underline, character spacing, bullets or numbering, line spacing, add or remove columns, text directions, and finally, align text within the box or line. You can try these as many times as you want. Add, rearrange, duplicate, and delete slides. Creating classroom contents using PowerPoint presentation allows you to sequentially arrange your story or contents in form of slides. The sidebar, also called the thumbnail pane, is located at the left side of the presentation environment. To add slides to your presentation, select the slide you want your new slide to follow. Select Home and click on New Slide and the new slide would appear. Select a layout. Select the text box and type. To delete a slide, single slides are deleted by right-clicking the slide in the thumbnail pane on the left and select Delete Slide. You can also delete multiple slides by pressing and holding your Control key. And in the thumbnail pane on the left, select the slides you want to delete. Release the Control key and then right-click the selection and choose Delete Slide in the list of options. For a sequence of slides, press and hold Shift, and in the thumbnail pane on the left, select the first and last slides in the sequence. Release the Shift key, then right-click the selection and choose Delete Slide. To make your work faster, you might need to duplicate a slide. You can duplicate a slide in the thumbnail pane on the left by right-clicking the slide thumbnail that you want to duplicate, and then click Duplicate Slide. The duplicate is inserted immediately after the original, and you can also rearrange your slides. In the pane on the left, select the slide that you want to move, and then drag it to your desired or new location. To do this, press and hold Control, then click on the slides you want to move in the pane on the left. Release the Control key, and then drag the selected slides as a group to the new location. Inserting a picture. Multiple media contents, such as pictures and videos, are very important to your PowerPoint presentation as a teacher. To insert a picture, click on the Insert tab and select Pictures. You get to see the list of 3 options to choose from. This device option lets you choose a picture already available on the TM1 laptop. Stock Images lets you choose from a collection of high-quality images, icons, cut-out people, stickers, and illustrations. Online Pictures lets you search for educational-related images from the web. After selecting your picture, drag through any of the edges to resize the image in a way to maintain the quality and the aspect ratio. Drag the image to move it where you want. You can use Design Ideas, an online tool, and let PowerPoint create a beautiful slide for you. Adding background pictures. Adding background to your slides to make your presentation shine is a great idea for educators. To do this, right-click the margin of a slide. Select Format Background in the Format Background pane. Select Picture or Text Fill, and choose from where you want to insert a picture from a file. Insert a picture from your computer. Stock Images lets you choose from a collection of premium stock photography as teaching aids. Online Pictures lets you search online sources, and Icons lets you search the icon collection. If you already copied the picture, select Clipboard. Use the transparency bar to change the copied picture's visible effect. If you want to apply the same background picture to all slides, choose Apply to All to remove a background picture. Select the slide that has the background you want to remove. Select Design Format Background in the Format Background pane. Select Solid Fill. If you want to remove the background for all slides, choose Apply to All. Adding speaker notes in PowerPoint. You can add speaker notes to your slides in PowerPoint before classroom presentations, so you can refer to them as you are presenting. This gives you a sense of being a digital educator with a teleprompter device and access. To do this, select a slide you want to add notes to and add any notes you want. You can make the text larger or smaller. Adding slide transitions. Slide transitions are visual effects on your presentation when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and customize the look of transition effects. Adding transitions between slides can make your presentation more attractive to your students. To do this, select the slide you want to add a transition to select the Transitions tab, then select the arrow to see all transitions in the gallery. Select a transition to see a preview until you find the transition you want. Then select Effect options to choose the direction and nature of the transition. Select Preview to see what the transition looks like. Animation of text or objects. Animation could make your presentation stand out in front of your students, members of staff, or an audience. Select the object or text you want to animate. Select Animations and choose an animation. Select Effect options and choose an option. Select Preview to see how the animation will look. You can change the timing for an animation, like changing when it starts its duration. You want to create a delay before the effect starts to add another animation to the object. Select Add Animation and choose an animation. To change the order that objects animate, choose Move Earlier or Move Later. You might want to animate a group of objects. Hold Ctrl and select the objects. Select Animation and choose an animation. Inserting a video to your PowerPoint. In PowerPoint 2019 on your TM1 laptop, you can insert videos from YouTube or another site to play them in your presentation in your browser. To do this, locate the video you want. Copy the URL. Switch back to PowerPoint and select the slide where you want the video. Select Insert Video and select Online Video. Paste the URL. Select Insert. You can resize the video and place it where you want on the slide. During a normal view presentation, press the play button to watch it. However, in Slideshow, play and pause the video, just like you would in a browser. By default, videos play in click sequence. Select Playback to change how it starts during your presentation. Videos can be inserted from YouTube, Vimeo, and SlideShare, or Microsoft Stream if you have a Microsoft 365 account for work or school. Add, change, hide, or delete comments in a presentation. As an educator and a content creator, you can collaborate with your colleagues to give notes and feedback on your presentation by using comments. When you see a comment icon on a slide, click it to open the comments pane to see what's been written. You'll see who wrote the comment and when the comment was made. You can delete it or you can reply. When you reply, it adds another icon under the other one, showing there's a thread of comments. If you want to add a comment, choose New when the comments pane is open, or choose Review, and then in the new comment, type what you want to say and then press Enter. You can move the comment icon wherever you want on the slide. Just drag and drop it to make it clear what your comment is referring to. If your presentation has multiple comments, use the next and back buttons to go through them, and when you reach the end, PowerPoint will ask you if you want to continue reviewing the comments at the beginning. Using Presenter View in PowerPoint. PowerPoint Presenter View is a great way to view your notes and see your upcoming slide while giving a presentation, and ultimately turns TM1 laptop to a teleprompter. To do this, select Slideshow. Make sure your presenter view is selected and choose which monitor you want your presentation to appear on. This method requires more than one monitor. To start your presentation, select from Beginning. Use the arrows to go to the next or previous slide. On the right slide are your notes, which you can make larger or smaller to point to, or write on your slides as you present. Select Pen and Laser Pointer tools. If you need to jump to a specific slide, select See All Slides and choose the slide thumbnail you want to view a detail in a slide. Select Zoom into Slide and then point to the part you want to see. To hide or unhide the current slide, select Black or Unblock Slide. Select Toggle Subtitles to turn subtitles on or off during your presentation. When you're done presenting, select End Slideshow. Create or customize a master slide. Your school or organization might need to adopt a uniform design of content creation or a particular set of presentations, such as logo placement, colors, and picture background theme. The Slide Master is like the blueprint and template for your presentation. It controls everything. To set the content of your presentation, select View and select Slide Master. Scroll up to see Slide Master, and all the individual slide layouts appear below. Anything you do in this slide won't change the content, just the look and layout of your slides. Let's update the font to the one our school or organization prefers. No need to select text, just the font button. You would notice all the layouts change to the new font. Let's do that again with a theme, and all the layouts change. When you're done, close the master view to return to the content of your slides. Saving your presentation as a video. Saving your presentation as a video is a powerful idea in your hand as a teacher and digital content creator. After creating your presentation, you can save it as a video to share with your students and colleagues. To do this, select File, select Export. Select Create a Video. Choose the quality. The better the quality, the larger the file. Full high definition is the best bet. Now set how long each slide should be recorded. Select the Create Video button and where to save the file. Wait for some time for it to process and store on your TM1 laptop. Your video is ready. Printing your slide. Do you know you can print slide speaker notes or create handouts for your PowerPoint presentations, either for your students, colleagues, or your audience right on your TM1 laptop? To do this, select File. By default, if you press Print, each slide will print on one piece of paper on your default printer. This is pretty expensive cost-wise. By choosing the arrows, you can change the printer and limit which slides are printed. You can also select full-page slides to see options unique for PowerPoint, including different print layout and handout settings. You can save a lot of paper by printing each slide smaller in these handout settings, like this 4 slides vertical setting 12 slides, 3 sheets of paper. The notes seen below the slide when creating a presentation can be printed with the slide in the notes pages, setting 1 slide with the corresponding note, meaning 12 slides, 12 sheets of paper. There are several other settings to choose, but changing to grayscale will save on your color ink cost.